Hey there YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff, or that's what SJ calls me. It's actually Matt, if you don't know me. But yes, so Mr. B here, and we've got another sneaker unboxing. These we've actually already unboxed. We unboxed them on a live stream, but I wanted to give these shoes a proper going over, a proper look at, a proper everything. But if you're new around here and you don't know what we tend to do these sneaker unboxings. We stream every Sunday and we occasionally do these cinematic on foot things. Why do we do them? Because we love sneakers, and hopefully you love sneakers as well, or at least this type of sneakers that we do. Everyone around here is quite friendly, so let's get to it. So what are these? These are a Nike SB Dunk Low OG Quick Strike. They are white, pink rise, gym red. They are Blanc, Rouge Gym, Rosé du Matin, which apparently isn't rosé in the morning, but is it morning dew? Morning dew in French. I had to check with SJ there. Morning dew in French, apparently. They are a UK 11.5. That makes them, no they're not, they're a US 11.5. Got that wrong. They're a UK 10.5. And they are code CN4504100. They've also got, if you want to have a look there, have a focus on that, they've got that little QR code thing that Nike's using these days. But we don't really care about that. We have got woodcut paper. These came from Flatspot, everybody. SJ went in for the draw. SJ's over there on Sneaker Camp. She went in for the draw. I went in for the draw. I wasn't lucky. She was very lucky. So what have we got? We've got the Parra Dunks. The 2019 Parra Dunks. So let's get them out. Oh my word. I'm amazed again. On the stream, I got very, very excited, everyone. I did. I got very, very excited. I'm getting excited again. These are super nice. Super, super nice, everyone. So let's have another look. So first of all, I've never been able to do this. I've not actually been able to go to the front camera and go, have a look at that. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. Hopefully the camera's focused, but because we're so much closer to the camera than we ever were before, it should pick it up and it should be taking a whole frame. So we're going to get out of that now. SJ, you couldn't really do it on the stream of actually getting close and have a look at these Parra Dunks. Parra being a Dutch artist, he actually skates, and actually what he said was when he put these together, he wanted to put together a classic simple shoe that he'd skate in himself. And so I think he was inspired by the Mulder Low from way back, hence the white, the cleanliness of it. And also if we go in here, you can see the little blue tick on the end there. Hopefully we're focused. SJ, you can always get in close. So have a look at that. That's a nod to the Mulder for sure, definitely. Obviously in the original it'll be back here, but we've got this amazing 3D swoosh made from chenille, which is a weird sounding material, chenille, on the top there, and then just these extras just to make it look a bit 3D. Classic Parra colours on the side there, and what's really nice is on the right hand shoe we've got the Parra logo in the Parra font on the back there. So camera 2, we can see that it is a thing of beauty. But if we have a look at the tongue, we're going to take the tongue into you. Hopefully you focused. If not, we'll get SJ to do it. Got the Parra logo with that classic Parra print there on a nice fat tongue as well. I'm going to bring it into SJ because she's not giving me any hand directions tonight. Yes, she is there. She's directing from behind the camera. I think she's telling me to turn it the other way. There we go. Can you see that? Can you see how fat? Like, it's really hard for me to I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to undo the lace a little bit. Just a little bit, everyone. We're going to undo that just so SJ can get a sight of the fat tongue. Let's get rid of the paper. Oh, but because it's obviously got the elasticate. Sorry, you can't see what's going on behind the camera over here. SJ's just got a tongue sticking out at me, and literally there's me diving in here, and I look up and go boom, and she's just going, ah. Like the other day SJ was saying, you can't work with animals. I'm not sure I can work with you sometimes. I don't know what to expect half the time when I look around at the camera. It's just like, what's going on? Anyway, so we're gonna have a look here, see if SJ can actually at least see that tongue there, the big fat tongue. We'll have a look inside there, maybe tilting like that. Oh my word, so there we go. Hopefully that's coming across really well. Tap and go, we've hopefully got that. It is a stunning material, and actually the range of clothes that came with this, there are some pants that came in this classic print, and they are absolutely banging. Not sure if I could get away with wearing them. Somebody over there probably could. In fact, if you go on Instagram and look up Glaxter, he's actually got these pants and he definitely gets away with it. So let's have a look there. camera too. You know what we're going to have to do? We're going to have to put a little light just above there, just so that you can get some fabulous, look at that, eaglet on the end. Eaglets? Is it eaglets or eaglets? All right, everyone who watches these videos, know I struggle with this word. I think it's an eaglet. I think it definitely is an eaglet. Eaglet, I don't know, right. Anthony, I'm sure you're going to watch this. Can you let me know how you actually pronounce it? It's down there. If you leave a comment for me, being such an idiot tonight. It's been a long day at work, everyone. So there we go. We're going to go with the, I'm going to call them lace caps, because I can't say it. Right, SJ, can you get in close on that? Can you see it? You can see it says Parra there. Right, we're going to go up to this camera here. I don't think that that's going to focus, but just in case it does, oh look, we're back. Boom. There we go with that one. As you can see, like this, it works so well. I also really like the leather on these. These are going to crease really, really nicely, and actually wearing them, I really think genuinely that these are going to crease as nicely. I think I really like the creasing on the Mulder highs that they re-released a couple of years ago. I think these are going to do the same. And of course, if you've made it this far in the video, don't forget to subscribe. It's down there. And if you don't know, we're also on Instagram, Pint of Stuff, but we've also started this Discord server thing where we're sort of hanging out and sharing stuff through the week, so we can build this community that we're trying to build of like sort of like-minded people who like just into shoes and just being a bit silly, really, I suppose, but not too silly, but you know what I mean. I want to come back to the alternate laces, SJ, and I'm actually going to get them out, and which we didn't do the other night. We didn't get them out on the live stream, so let's have a look at these, because these for me are a definite lace swap. Oh my word. Right, going up here. Look at that. Hopefully it's, maybe I'm a bit too close. There we go. Maybe that. Ooh, yeah, I think there. But then SJ on sneaker cam, have a look at these. These are a bit special. I wonder if, let's just take that out. Oh, no, they haven't done the special lace caps there, but look at that. That is a thing to behold. Enough of that. But also another really nice touch, really, really nice touch. Nike SB lace bag, which we didn't call out the other night. When I know like the old school guys they absolutely love a Nike SB lace bag. Super nice laces there. We are going to have a look at the other shoe because it's ever so slightly different. It is. Rather than the Parra on the back, it says Nike SB. SJ, have a look at that bad boy. Nike SB. But what I really, really like, everyone, is I really like how the SB got that kind of 3D-ness, and they're not frightened, Nike SB, to play with the font that they use. So that's not an SB font by any means, but they're definitely comfortable with doing that. And so we've got as well, I don't think we called out actually, on the inside of the tongue, it says Nike SB there. Super nice, super, super nice. These shoes are so good. These hyped within an inch of their life. I think it was quite a large run by any means. I think it was a really big run. And quite a few people we know got them, but I do think that these are super nice. The blazers also super nice, and hopefully on this channel, we should be able to put a video up of those in a couple of weeks. I'm just waiting for them to be shipped over to us. So very, very excited about that. And of course, friends and family. Hello. There we go. I had to do a little whoop, it calls the thing wasn't around my face. Are we ever going to see the friends and family version of these? I don't think we are, but they are a gorgeous teal, In fact, the closest that we would have got would have been the hat, which again sold out instantly. I think you can pick them up on StockX for about £60. I'm refusing to pay that for a cap, but maybe I will later. Maybe. Anyway, not a normal style video, just because we unbox these on a live stream. SJ, as is the tradition on this channel, yay or nay? That's a huge yay, yeah? Yay. That's a fire.
Yeah, and I definitely see the resemblance of the Mulder, now that you said it. Particularly as I was looking at the Mulder on StockX with a colleague today.
Yeah, it's so like it, isn't it? And in fact, even the grain of the leather.
Yeah.
Like if you, like, I don't know.
In fact, I said that on the live stream.
But let's try and take that in there. Now, I think the grain of the leather also makes it look like that Mulder, and obviously the pure white of it. But we'll find out. You know, I'm really looking forward to wearing these, and clearly nothing special with the sole. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. It's down there. If you want to join us on Discord, there'll be a link in the description below. If of course you want to if you want to join us on Sundays with Sneaker Streaming Sundays, come along. It's every Sunday at about 8 p.m. UK time. That's roughly 3 p.m. on the East Coast, midday roughly on the West Coast. If you like Tokyo Butter, that's about 3 or 4 a.m. in the morning on on a Monday morning-ish, and we talk about sneakers, we chat with everybody in our little community. It's always a barrel of laughs. Well, that's usually because I'm having technical difficulties and all the buttons I'm pressing are just not working. But everyone, as I said, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and we'll see you in the next video, won't we, SJ?
Uh-huh.
I suppose we should go now because I really want a cup of coffee or something. Yeah, still nice. Still nice. Just get in there, like, just tap and zoom, like all the tapping and the zooming in the world. Such a great shoe. Such a great shoe.